In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install your trainer in GTA 3 Definitive Edition. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under standalone versions, select the latest version. Once download done, select the folder icon and double click on the trainer exe and select yes option. You need to open the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna turn on this edit money, infinite money, just turn it on and then get back to the game. As you can see, the cheat is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.